Okay, let's get down to our today's trade recap. So we had a bearish day all along today. Like the market just plummeted today after the market opened. Like yeah, almost 500 points. So I couldn't get any trade in the AM session, so I took the trade in the PM session. So let's get down to my analysis. So when looking at the daily chart, we could see the market is bullish. So it had gone to a pretty premium level. So when I expected the pullback was this week's after the price rejected on this volume imbalance yesterday. So I thought the price will again react from this volume imbalance, and as the price didn't tap to this daily fair value gap here, BC, so I thought today the price will tap to the BC. So my daily bias was bearish. So after that, and scaling down to 1 hour chart, we could see swing highs in the form of buy side liquidities here and here, and we had our yesterday's high here. So what the price did before the market opened. So we have our classic AMD setup here. So also sorry that we had our accumulation here, and then we had our manipulation here from London session. I think that's if I starts from London session. Yeah, it starts from London session, and after the market opening the New York session, the price got distributed. So we had our classic AMD setup here. So how I took my trade was after the price swept up this buy side liquidities, when the market broke down from here, we had our market structure shift. So before 10 a.m. I didn't take the trade because there was a news in 9:45 like PMI. So after 10 I was targeting these lows. So I expected the price to first fill up this 15-minute CB, and after that I will target these sell side liquidities and all the remaining sell side liquidities here. But the price didn't tap our fair value gap, and it just broke down, and the price just plummeted. And we had our lunch hour session. It gave us a night pullback, but it was during the lunch hour. So you could see swing high, swing low, pull back to the premium level, to the 62% level. But as it was during the lunch hour, I didn't take the trade, and the price just pulled back to the premium level, and it again got distributed, filling up this CB. And after that, it also, when displacing, it also left this CB here untapped. So after that, as the price again didn't pull back to this BC, and it broke the structure down, leaving this CB, and we had our breaker here. So I was waiting for the silver bullet time. So the price broke down 2 p.m, pulled back to this 15-minute CB as well as the breaker, tapped to this CB, broke again down. So what I looked for this setup was I scaled down to 1-minute chart, and during this time, when the price broke down from this level, my target was here, and the price pulled back to the 15-minute CB, tapped to the CB, it again broke down, causing the internal market structure shift here in the smaller time frame, sweeping up this buy side liquidity, and it broke down, leaving a CB here as well as breaker here. We had a breaker here. So, and what another confluence was, as the 3 p.m. candle opened, it didn't had any bottom. The price just went up fast in the first 3 minutes, tapped to this fair value gap as well as our breaker block. The price filled this, and after that it broke down, and we had our this fair value gap disrespected, and the price came up, and I again scaled down to 30 seconds chart. And in the 30-second chart, I could see clearly what the price was doing. We had our swing low broken here, market structure shift, and when it did the market structure shift, there was a breaker here as well as CB here. Price tapped to this CB, again broke down, and leaving an order block here. So it is a what I think a valid order block is, after respecting some sort of PDRA, the block that is forming is, I think it's a valid order block. So as it respected this CB and broke the structure, what I did was I marked this bullish candle as a bearish order block. So the price came up to the CE of the order block, and I took my entries based upon the beginning of the order block. So I placed my order here. So I placed my order right below the order block, and my stops were right above this CB, and my target was these equal lows that we had here. Relative equal lows. We had a relative equal lows here that we are targeting today. So there was this entry. So I got total of like 1 to 4 RR. So like reached 0.25, that is like $125, and made like $500 today. So yeah, that was a nice move that we got. And also I requested 2 payouts this past in the past 10 days. I requested like 2 different payouts. So this was in October, oh no sorry, this was in August 14, and the one I just asked for withdrawal is today, like $500. And this is my first account with Topstep. So like I got funded in July. So in the month of July I was making a buffer of $2,000. So, and after the buffer, I created the buffer and just started withdrawing the money. So here we have our winning days here. In the month of July I was building a buffer. Yeah, that's it. So I withdrew like $1,200 in the past 10 days. So yeah, that's the trade recap for today.